Hi, my name is Juliana Cavallari and I'm 27 years old and I'm a nutritionist. And nutrition has played a big role in my life, and it did start at an early age. My family and I had been facing some adversities, and learning how to eat well was really important. We experienced cancer, diabetes, and obesity, and learning how to eat well for those conditions was really important to me, and I really wanted to help them. And that's how my career blossomed into a nutritionist. I wanted to, help everyone every day to learn how to eat well. So every day now, I get to do that. I get to show people and empower them how to eat well and maybe get rid of some existing conditions that they have and give them that support that they can do it. And I do come from a big Italian family, so sometimes eating well may not be on the agenda, but I always try to find different ways and approaches on recipes and how to make them healthier, so that we can always, have that, that traditional culture of food, but making it better so that we can have good health. But something you may not know about me just by looking at me is that I used to be overweight when I was little. I would say I was obese, and I got bullied significantly at school. But I became a stronger person, and I went into Irish dancing. And Irish dancing gave me a wonderful opportunity to develop some stage presence. I became a competitive dancer, and then I went professional and I danced in a show. And I had to make some television appearances on that as well. And actually, just recently, I made some television appearances as being a nutrition expert. And it was really phenomenal. I got to help people, and I got to cook and bake and show people how to eat well. And it was a great experience. And I think that experience is going to serve me well being a new host for the CBC show as being a food expert. And I think I'm really outgoing, I'm really passionate about what I do, and I would really find a great opportunities to show people how to eat well for many different reasons, and give them that opportunity. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, and I really hope to hear from you soon. Have a good day.